Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Faith Talks and Inspires. Today I'll be showing you how to make zucchini bread. Make sure if you haven't, go watch my first video on how to make a better than anything cake. So let's get into it. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 3 large eggs, a cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of shredded zucchini. You're also going to need your spray pan. You're gonna also need big bowl and our pans. So we're gonna get our 3 large eggs and we're gonna crack it. So grab a spoon. Now we're gonna grab our flour and put it in. We're gonna grab our sugar and pour it in. Then grab our baking powder and pour it in. Ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, and our vegetable oil. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we put our zucchini. I'm gonna mix it in. We put our batter into the pans. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes. And I'll come back to you guys when it's done.
Much later.
Now these are out of the oven, and now we're going to cut them, and I'll show you what they look like inside. This is what it looks like inside. Now we're going to taste test. Cheers! That is really, really good. And there you have it. Zucchini bread. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned how to make zucchini bread. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.